watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to enable it. Like, comment and share.
Hi friends, welcome back to Afza's world. Today I am going to show you how to make this tasty custard cream donuts and also these plain donuts. First, for making dough, add 1 cup milk, half cup sugar, 1 tablespoon yeast. Then mix it well. Dust it for 50 minutes. Add 3 cup all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Add yeast mixture. Mix it with hand mixer or hand. Take 1 egg, quarter cup butter, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence. Mix it well. Pour it in the dough mixture. Mix it well. Knead for 5 to 7 minutes. Apply some oil on the bowl and the dough. Rest it for 1 hour. For making custard cream, take 4 eggs, 3 tablespoons cornstarch and mix it well. After that, take a pan, add 4 cup milk, then add 2 tablespoons melted butter, then pour the egg mixture. Then add 300 ml condensed milk. Mix it well. Add a pinch of salt and flame should be in medium-low heat. Add half teaspoon vanilla essence. until it becomes thick. Now it's ready. Cool for 5 minutes. After 1 hour, take the dough, knead for 1 to 2 minutes. Dust your work area. Cut donuts. And rest for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Flame should be in medium-low heat. Deep fry for 1 or 2 minutes each side or till golden brown. Cool for 5 minutes. Coat it with powdered sugar. Poke to make hole. Fill it with cooled custard. Now the custard donuts are ready. And the plain donuts are also ready. If you like this video, like, comment and share and subscribe to our channel.